Okay, we'll take off this bumper. A series of clips and Torx T27. Hold the bumper on. 2 clips on either side, 2 clips on the bottom. Also 2 Torx screws on either side of the fender liner. I'm not sure how that comes off. Hidden clip. Who would have known? Okay, so far so good. Rad support's not broke. Okay, let me do some measurements and see if I can get some stuff installed. Okay, so I've mounted the headlight, and can you see me there? There we go. Mounted the headlight, mounted the fender. This rad support is plastic. The whole thing is plastic. Everything is bolted to it. Of course, it's broken. So I gotta change the whole damn rad support. Rad's gotta come out, AC's gotta come out. Everything's gotta come off. It turned into a 4-hour job. Put the fender on. Lines up good, gaps are good. And see if it'll close. Yeah, gaps are good. A little bit high here. I could push that down or raise the hood. Gaps are good here. Okay, and now I'll slap on the fender and the bumper and see where we're at. And then after that, we're at a standstill because missing the rad support. And I could probably reinstall this computer back in place and then wait for parts. Okay, we've got the bumper on. It's these are Kappa certified parts. They're supposed to be as good as OEM. They fit really well. I am missing that piece, so I'll have to wait for the rat support to come in. Over here, you can see how it's, get my hand in here. The hood's actually closed, but there's actually a support that goes underneath there and brings the hood, the bumper flush, which I need to take off of the old bumper, but I know at least it'll fit good. So everything's good, ready for paint. Just need to find that rat support and get that done. But for now, I can go ahead and paint everything and get everything ready to assemble.